The advancements and differences between ChatGPT and its newer versions, such as GPT-4, can be understood across several dimensions including model architecture, training data, performance, and capabilities. Model architecture. ChatGPT, based on GPT-3. Size. GPT-3 has 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models available. Structure. It uses the transformer architecture, which is designed for handling sequential data and excels in tasks involving natural language processing. Newer versions, like GPT-4. Size. GPT-4 is even larger than GPT-3, though the exact number of parameters has not been publicly disclosed. It is generally assumed to be significantly more complex. Structure. Enhancements in the transformer architecture and possible integrations with other model types or improvements in model training techniques. Training data. ChatGPT. Data scope, trained on a diverse range of Internet text up until its knowledge cutoff date. Updates. The knowledge cutoff is static, meaning it does not update in real time or after a certain date unless retrained. Newer versions. Data scope, trained on a more extensive and updated dataset, potentially incorporating newer information and more diverse sources. Updates, better handling of more recent data, possibly with mechanisms for more frequent updates or real-time learning. Performance. ChatGPT. Capabilities. Performs well on a variety of natural language tasks such as text generation, summarization, and translation. Can handle conversational contexts and provide coherent responses. Limitations. Sometimes produces text that is plausible sounding but incorrect or nonsensical. Can struggle with maintaining context over long conversations or understanding nuanced queries. Newer versions. Capabilities. Improved accuracy, coherence, and contextual understanding. Better at maintaining the context over long conversations and understanding complex or nuanced queries. Limitations. While significantly reduced, still prone to occasional errors or misinterpretations. Improvements are incremental but noticeable. Capabilities and features. ChatGPT. General use, suitable for a broad range of applications from casual conversation to more specific tasks like coding assistance or content creation. Specific tools, basic support for functionalities like translating languages, providing recommendations, and summarizing text. Newer versions. Enhanced use, more refined for specific applications, with better performance in areas like technical writing, creative tasks, and detailed explanations. Advanced tools, integration with tools for browsing the Internet, executing code, and handling multimedia inputs like images and audio. Expanded capabilities for complex tasks and better support for multimodal inputs. Ethical and safety measures. ChatGPT. Safety, includes basic safety features to avoid generating harmful or inappropriate content. Uses a combination of training data filtering and post-training adjustments. Ethics, attempts to follow ethical guidelines but may still occasionally produce biased or inappropriate content due to limitations in training data. Newer versions. Safety, enhanced safety measures, including more sophisticated content moderation, dynamic response adjustments, and improved filtering techniques. Ethics, better at adhering to ethical guidelines with reduced bias and more appropriate content generation. Continuous improvement through feedback loops and community guidelines. Summary. In summary, the newer versions of ChatGPT, like GPT-4, build on the foundation laid by GPT-3 with significant improvements in model architecture, training data, performance, and capabilities. They offer better contextual understanding, more accurate responses, and expanded functionalities, including handling multimodal inputs and more advanced tools. Safety and ethical measures are also more robust, making these models more reliable and versatile for a wider range of applications. Please check out Cyber-Theo. More videos are made every week. Check my links below. And don't forget to subscribe.